All right guys, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to present the diagnostic. Sometimes we call it a diagnostic pitch. And the reason you would use this, oh my book's all twisted up. The reason you would use this is when you go into a plumbing call and you have to dig further, you have to investigate, do some kind of testing. It's not obvious, it's going to require more things. Check in with your managers specifically for the types of diagnostics we have, what's included with them, and how you would choose which one. But I'm going to show you the actual model of how to do it. All right. You can follow along with your books if you want, and make sure you catch these bullets just right. But I'm going to do something kind of like this. I'm going to go find my homeowner and then show them. So, Gary, you'll just kind of be my customer, okay?
Okay.
All right, Gary. Thank you for showing me what's going on here with this. The slab leak. You're really concerned about it. I can tell it's definitely something you want to address today. And unfortunately, I haven't seen anything obvious so far. So I need to go ahead and share with you what I'm going to do next. Is that okay?
That sounds great.
All right. So we're going to do what's called a diagnostic or troubleshooting. And let me explain how this works. This is a diagram of how your home is put together. You may know some of this. I'm just sharing it with everybody. Your plumbing system actually has 4 or 5 major components. You've got the drainage system, the venting, the hot and cold water, and the gas lines. So there's a lot going on in this system, and everything's kind of working together. When a system like this in your laundry room isn't working properly, it could be several contributing factors in either one of those systems. So what I'm gonna do, just to make sure I find out exactly what is the problem, so I can guarantee to fix it right for you today, I'm gonna go ahead and perform that troubleshooting and repair. And the way I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna disconnect this equipment here, and I'm gonna put some special connections on the line. I'm gonna pressurize it properly. That way we can figure out where is that water potentially coming out, or where is that issue occurring from. We're gonna use some special equipment to do that because it helps us pinpoint with accuracy. And let me share with you what that includes, okay?
Okay.
So what's included in this repair is if I have to open a hole in the wall or something and make a minor repair in a piece of pipe to stop the leak, I'll fix it up and you're good to go. Awesome. That's already included. Okay. What it does not include is any patching or repairing of the sheetrock, or if I have to open up the floors and do anything underground, okay?
I got you.
But if I discover that that's necessary, I'm not just gonna fix a bunch of stuff and surprise you with a bill. What I'll do is I'll stop, I'll show you what's going on, and I'll give you some options and approval before I go any further.
Okay.
Does that sound good so far?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, so we have several levels of troubleshooting that we do on a home. Based on what I've seen so far in your home, it's definitely not the extreme.
Ooh, that's a relief.
Yeah, that's for older homes with much more complex systems and serious issues. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
All right. But because we're talking about issues in a couple different areas over here, and it's not isolated to one thing, kind of like a dishwasher or appliance, it's not a minor either.
Okay.
So where I need to get started is on the moderate. I just need your approval for this and we'll get started.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it.
Okay, great. Now you remember they told you about the dispatch fee on the phone, the $79?
Yes, sir.
Cool. I'm just gonna add that to that. I'll write it on my paperwork, and with your signature, I'll get to work.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it.
Okay, great.
Just don't find anything bad.
Oh, no, I definitely won't.
Okay.